Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's a Sunday night and today's day was extremely productive for me. In fact, the whole weekend was very productive for me because I created a bank and actually batch processed all of the podcasts which I will be taking up in the coming days. And I also recorded a lot of podcasts with some amazing people which you will be hearing soon and for sure in this coming week. Today's day was super exciting, and you can actually imagine and feel that from my voice because today I was part of a very amazing cause, and that was the Digital Masters Conference. This was a conference where Success Gyan, in collaboration with country's top amazing digital marketers, that is 9 masters from the digital world, they united together and they hosted this conference online, and their mission was to collect 5 lakh rupees and donate it for the corona relief in the PM Cares Fund. So it was such an amazing time because all of us who had contributed, this will directly go to the PM Cares Fund. And apart from that, this webinar or this seminar or this online conference was such a great breakthrough in my life today because I learned so much. So this conference started with Ashish Vidyarthi, who you know is a renowned film artist. He is an actor and also such an amazing person into which set the benchmark and which actually kick-started today's conference, and that was to not stop dreaming. You should only have 2 answers when someone says you have a dream, and that is yes or yes. That was the thing, and he told us about his journey and how he started to actually leverage this digital world, and told us all that we all youngsters and in fact people from all age groups today can make use of the internet and the digital space in such a great way, especially when we are in this lockdown. And I thought to share this because this is such a great tip when we are here to unlock the lockdown. The 9 digital masters have taught us many things, but I'm going to brief you with some of the points. Saurav Jain has told us about Instagram, and he proposed to us an Insta Sutra where he actually told a 9 rule formula where you can apply every day, and you can make your Instagram game very changing and life changing. So you can go on live sessions, you can put on polls, and more important, you should put your real life stories, which will definitely bring a connect with people and help people to understand what are you, who are you. Then we have the master of micro videos, and that is Avi Arya, who also told us how he turned into a master of micro videos from being a hotelier. And he also shared a live example of how to talk to a client. First, you need to understand, do a research about the client, try to find the gap, and then try to propose him with a micro video. And every day, whenever you post any video, whether it is on any platform, in fact, all of the tips which have been proposed today by all of the 9 digital marketers are actually for any platform online. So they are definitely the digital master gurus. And Avi Arya actually told us how these micro videos can actually help you to leverage, and don't forget to start and end your videos with something really very amazing, and that is giving your introduction like, hi, I'm Talia Khan, I have a podcast, I do this, I do that, and that will bring on more credibility, and that is definitely going to bring on a lot of eye-popping content for everyone. Then we have Digital Deepak Kanakraju, and he is one humble person and full of knowledge. He shared his story that how he started his motorcycling blog, which got millions of views, and later he sold it out, moved to Bangalore from Salem, and from there he started to switch to jobs and kept on starting his startup, failing at it and then restarting it, and now you know him. He is famous by Digital Deepak, and that is his platform from where you can learn so many things. By the way, he told us how learning sales can make you rich and free, and that is actually what was this packed session all about. Then we come to the king of SEO, Sanjay Shenoy, who told us how to get 1 million organic views on your website. He told us about his debut job, which was at Thrilophilia, and how that website got so many views and where he actually understood the power of SEO. Another important point which he mentioned was that if you are not from a technical background, it does not mean that you cannot do SEO or you cannot think about getting into the digital world. You can definitely get into the digital world. All you've got to do is just grab your focus and focus on what? Focus on SEO if you want to get into it. Another humble digital marketer is Kulwant Nagi, who comes from a very small town in Haryana, and he shared his story of how I made $500K sitting in a small town and how his life actually changed. And he gave us an amazing success formula, and that is finding a very micro niche when it comes to affiliate marketing. The example he gave was like, let's say for example, I'm searching about best laptop. There will be thousands of searches in it. Then we go to best gaming laptop. Again, there will be many searches in that. And finally, best gaming laptop under, let's say, $1,000 or $800. This is how you're going to make it even more narrower and specific, and the best platform to know how you can actually go into affiliate marketing or talk about a topic which is actually something where people are wanting to find a solution. Quora is the best platform for that, and at Quora you can actually find everything what you need to talk about, what is going to be the next viral topic, and you should find all your topics from Quora. Then we had a small conversation by the founder of Success Gyan, and he actually told us a 3H formula. The 3H formula is to be happy, to be hungry, and to be humble. I need not to elaborate on that because this is self-explanational. By the way, guys, in case you want to find out more on what has happened today in the conference, just go on Google and search hashtag DMC for Corona, and there you can find several of the posts from across the social media where people are talking about the conference and sharing whatever they have learned today. Overall, one lesson which I've really learned is the power of empathy. This is something which you should definitely nail in your mind as the 3 magical words. Power of empathy. Then came Siddharth Rajshekhar, who was actually the moderator for today's conference. He is also the co-founder of the Digital Masters Association, and he gave an amazing 9 skills to master in 2020, and those skills are definitely the ones which I'm going to tell towards the end of this podcast. Well, I know that you might be anxious to actually know, so I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag so easily. You've got to stick to the end because he has given us 9 critical digital skills to master in 2020 by Siddharth Rajshekhar. And then came Gopal Krishnan, who told us how to run ₹1,000,000 Facebook ads, and that was really eye-opening. And after that, we will come to the next point, and that is those 3 words: innovate or perish. If you do not innovate, you will definitely perish. But how to innovate? We all have something in us which is different from others. As I always say, even if there is a recipe, you will find online millions of recipes for a single dish. Still, that recipe is not going to be the same for you. You're just going to add your personal touch. That's where you can bring on some kind of innovation. Then we come to the story triangle. The story triangle is something which was told to us by Gopal Krishnan, and he actually told us that there are some untold pains, there are some fears and frustration which actually lead us to stepping closer to our dreams and desires. Maybe we can get some unexpected gains as well, but if we leverage and combine it with brand new technology, we can actually scale our lives to a new high. A breakthrough moment was when all of these masters actually revealed to us how the power of internet has actually made it so evident that all the entrepreneurs in this world perhaps make their first income online. But here we are talking about not only finding solution to people's problems, but try to find out the social gap and try to be the solution first. And also Success Gyan gave us a great gyan that soon when this lockdown will be over, just fasten your seatbelt and get excited because a whole plethora of opportunities is going to come, and they are going to announce a competition for the India's biggest motivational speaker. And if you want to be a part of it, you can definitely be a part of it. And they are also looking for a number of coaches and trainers. So do go ahead and just find Success Gyan online. Can you actually feel the magic of internet now? Another takeaway was that the secret of success is to find people where they are going and to be there first. After that, we had the last two sessions by Fahim Ahmed, who has told us how to optimize and maximize your ad spends. And for this, I would really like you to go to his page on Instagram, which is by the name Fahim SA, where he has created some amazing IGTV videos. Very concise way, but I want you to learn a lot, so go to his Instagram page where you can find many more details. And finally, we had Gaurav Gurbaksani, who told us about how to build virtual teams, outsource and save the cost. Overall, it was a power-packed session, and I'm sure everyone who has attended, they must have learned a lot. So whether you are an entrepreneur or marketing professional or someone who is aspiring to be in the digital marketing world, you are an enthusiast, this is where you would find all the flavors of digital, all power packed in one event, and that was today. And before I close, I would like to say each of the speakers had also shared their humble journey. It was not like it was one fine night and it all just happened with magic. They definitely worked hard. None of them had a digital background, and everyone just took one step and then moved ahead with the other. Sometimes they had failures, sometimes they had not, but they never looked back. And never looking back is one of the biggest things which I have learned from today's session. And now, before I close, let me conclude with the 9 skills to master in 2020. At number 1, we have influence. At number 2, we have videos. At number 3, we have community. At number 4, we have FB funnels. At number 5, we have content. At number 6, we have optimization. At number 7, we have automation. At number 9, we have affiliate marketing. And at number 10, we have outsourcing. All these skills and much more you can definitely learn by just typing in a Google search #DMC for Corona, and you can also follow all these amazing digital masters, their Instagram pages, where you can find a lot of knowledge every day. So that's all for today's session. I really hope that you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment or a voice message in case you're listening this on the podcast, and do share all your things which you have learned if you have attended the session. That's all for today, guys. So stay happy, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned.